Here are 50 action verbs, each with 2 sentences for beginners.
Jump.
The kangaroo jumped over the fence effortlessly. She jumped at the chance to go on a spontaneous trip.
Shine.
The sun shines brightly in the summer sky. He shines his shoes every morning before work. Plant. She plants flowers in her garden every spring. They planted a tree in the park to commemorate the event. Harvest. The farmers harvested the crops before the storm arrived. She harvested the vegetables from her garden.
Drive.
He drives his children to school every day. She drove through the night to reach the destination by morning.
Bark.
The dog barked loudly at the stranger. He barked orders at his employees during the busy shift.
Snore.
He snores so loudly that it wakes up everyone in the house. She tried to stop snoring by using special pillows. Whistle. He whistles a cheerful tune while he works. She whistled to call her dog back to her.
Bake.
She bakes cookies for the neighborhood every Christmas. He baked a cake for his sister's birthday.
Knead.
She kneads the dough until it's smooth and elastic. He kneaded the clay to make it pliable for sculpting.
Catch.
The fisherman caught a huge salmon in the river. She caught the ball just before it hit the ground.
Spin.
The dancer spins gracefully on stage. He spun the globe to choose their next travel destination.
Swing.
The children swing on the playground during recess. He swung the bat and hit a home run.
Shake.
She shook his hand firmly after the meeting. The earthquake shook the entire building. Lift. He lifts weights at the gym every morning. She lifted the box onto the shelf.
Dig.
The dog digs in the backyard to bury its bone. They dug a hole for the new fence post.
Mow.
He mows the lawn every Saturday. She mowed the grass before the party started.
Chop.
She chops vegetables for the salad every evening. He chopped wood for the fireplace.
Sew.
She sews clothes for her children. He sewed a button back onto his shirt. Hammer. He hammered the nails into the wood to build the birdhouse. She hammered the metal into shape in her workshop.
Scream.
She screamed in excitement when she won the lottery. He screamed for help after the accident.
Yawn.
He yawned loudly during the boring lecture. She yawned and stretched as she woke up.
Blow.
The wind blows the leaves off the trees in autumn. He blew out the candles on his birthday cake.
Chew.
She chews gum while studying to help her focus. He chewed his food slowly to enjoy the taste.
Carve.
He carves pumpkins every Halloween. She carved her initials into the tree.